I finally need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a who's supposed to be. But self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me?
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue. Alright, y'all, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm a little aggravated. I have been having the worst time with my freaking mics lately. I'm like going from mic to mic to mic, and I don't like any of them. So anyways, this last mic that I bought, honey, I'm thinking I'm filming, then literally recorded the whole video, and it didn't record a thing. So let's start this over, okay, begrudgingly. Alright, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Shein. Shout out to you, Shein, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their straight bangs wig, 6-inch straight pixie cut short human hair wig, orange color for women, orange color. Okay, so it does come in another color. It does come in like a burgundy color or a 99J. I opted for the orange because I'm crazy, and it's fall, and fall is, can you tell? It is my favorite season. So I was like, why can't I be pumpkin orange? Okay, aren't you glad? Not aren't you glad? Aren't you guys glad I came? You get it? You get it? Yeah. So it says this unit is 6 inches long. It's 150% density. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I have not noticed any whatsoever, but it is straight out of the packaging. That's not to say at some point I don't expect it to, because I do. Okay, girl? I expect old girl to shed and tangle at some point, but not a whole lot because it's this long, okay? As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, I think you can make it work across the board. It does have adjustable straps in there, so if you need it to be a little more snug, you can. It does not come with combs though, so I want you to be mindful of that as well. And the fact that I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Okay, do with that what you want to do with that. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as the full 360, then please continue watching. Alright, so my con with this unit is going to be the fact that it has no combs, okay? I love me a good comb. Honey, I at least need me a comb in the back, girl. Okay, I love me a good comb, so that is gonna be my con. My pros is I love the length. Believe it or not, I love the color. I know it's very jarring probably to a lot of people, but I honestly do love the color. I love that it's a good throw on and go. So those are my pros. Oh girl, and she cheap. And she cheap. Alright y'all, so obviously I would recommend this unit. It's super affordable. Even if you don't like this super jarring orange color, it does come in burgundy. And the style is super, super cute. So yes, I would definitely recommend this wig. Alright y'all, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. Because honey, once again, I am very much mad that I am having to refilm this video. And I felt like the first take is always the best take. But anyways, this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit. If it's a look, is it a vibe to you? Sound off down below in the comments. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Shein, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you both next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style.